Good morning, students. We have started our second chapter, health and disease. So we are discuss about when we कैसे किस चीज से हमें प्रोटीन मिलता है, vitamins and minerals, roughage. Okay, so today we are discuss about disease. Disease can be classified into two types: communicable disease and non-communicable disease. So first is no communicable disease. The disease caused by germs that passes from a sick person to healthy person are called communicable disease. So what is the meaning of communicable disease? So here is the answer. The disease causes germs that are called microbes or microorganisms. They grow in the presence of warmth, food and air can grow inside the body of human beings. Some communicable diseases are common cold, tuberculosis, typhoid, etc. Microorganisms are of four types: bacteria, virus, protozoa and fungi. So, first bacteria. These are small organisms that are found almost everywhere. They may be round, rod-like, spiral, etc. in shape. They can cause disease like cholera, typhoid, plague, tuberculosis, etc. So here is the picture of bacteria. Okay, these are small organisms that are found almost everywhere. Okay, so next is virus. They are the tiniest of all the living organisms. They multiply inside the living bodies and cause disease like influenza, मीजल्स, चिकन पॉक्स एक्सेट्रा. सो वायरस से फैलने वाली बीमारी कौन सी है? इन्फ्लुएंजा, मीजल्स, चिकन पॉक्स एक्सेट्रा. सो नाउ प्रोटोजोआ. दे आर स्मॉल सिंगल कॉल ऑर्गेनिजम्स जनरली फाउंड इन वाटर. सो प्रोटोजोआ इज फाउंड ऑन वाटर. अ लॉट ऑफ देम लिव within our body and make us sick. They can cause disease like malaria, dengue, dysentery, etc. So next is fungi. They are the kind of plants who do not have chlorophyll. They grow on decaying matter in dark and damp places. They cause disease like ringworm, itching, food poisoning, etc. So here is the all picture: virus, protozoa and fungi. The communicable disease spread through direct contact, infected air, infected food and water and insect. So first is disease spread through direct contact. Common cold, chicken pox, measles, ringworm, whooping cough spread through direct contact. They can spread through soap, towel, comb, clothes, bedding and utensils which have been used by a sick person, as this contain germs. So they can spread through soap, towel, comb, clothes, bedding and utensils which have been used by sick person, as this contain germs. sick person ये सारी चीजें यूज किया रहता है, उसके बाद हेल्दी पर्सन उसको यूज करता है तो उसको वो बीमारी हो सकती है. Disease spread through air. Some disease such as common cold, cough, flu, scarlet fever and diphtheria are caused when a healthy person breathes in air which has germ of this disease. When infected person cough, sneeze or spit, this germ mix with the air, and when healthy people breathe in this air, they also get infected. So disease spread through air. Air from cold, cough, flu, scarlet fever and diarrhea are caused when a healthy person breathes in air. So next is disease spread through infected food and water. Typhoid, cholera, diarrhea, polio and jaundice spread by eating infected food and drinking infected water. So drinking infected water and infected food, typhoid, cholera, diarrhea, polio and jaundice. We should eat which is covered and prepare with clean hands in clean utensils and under hygienic condition. See, here is the picture. Okay. Now, disease spread through insects. Disease like malaria, yellow fever, plague, dengue and cholera are caused by blood sucking insects like mosquitoes, bugs, fleas, sand flies. Malaria is caused by the bite of female Anopheles mosquito, and dengue is caused by the bite of Aedes mosquito. So here is the name of the mosquito. Malaria is caused by the bite of female Anopheles, and dengue is caused by the bite of Aedes mosquito. Remember that when the mosquito bites a person suffering from malaria or dengue, the germs are sucked up with the blood. When this mosquito bites a healthy person, the germs are transmitted to the healthy person, and hence disease is also transmitted. Okay children, here is the second part of the chapter. Complete next is in next video. Okay children, bye. Have a nice day.